Traders Anthony here. This is a previous euro dollar trade that I called, and if you go through my trade ideas you'll find it in there. And this had quite a nice outcome if you pulled your stop loss to break even and decided to hold on to this one. Yeah, that's what happened. So what we want to do with this video, I mean there's an 8R outcome. What I want to do with this video is have a look at the current price action, and I mean I like what I'm seeing here. This will be short and sweet, guys. 30-minute chart. This is a sell. Short position. You could even go in here. I would go stop above the low, high I should say. Previous high, go for a minimum of 2R. But more importantly, have a look left and see what we've got. 1 hour. Alright, targets are going to be, yeah, well this order block down in here could be a target, this red candle. And that works very nicely. So let's just pull that back slightly. That's a, well, you could tighten that up. Let's just have a look at this price action, go down to 15. Alright, I'm jumping in a little bit early here. And you could alter this if you wait for the 15-minute time frame. See how this is trending up at the moment? What we want to see is this to hold at this level. And then you want to see it start to trend to the downside. Yeah, something like that. But more importantly, see this price action. I want to see it wiggle around a little bit. Now into the London Open, I would prefer to see this. It hits stops. That would be ideal. And then we get displacement to the downside. Okay, so wait for this into the London Open and see how that plays out. Now the London Open kicks off at 3 AM. What do we got? We're right on it. There it is there. So just watch this as we trade into London, and we'll just mark that up, London Open. Well, I'm going to kind of do that. This is a balance area, and we're looking for this to, it doesn't have to be a horizontal balance area. Balance as in there's a more or less an even number of buying and selling, and then we're starting to see a little bit of volatility. The spike below here, that could be enticing short traders in. Okay, but just wait for this. London Open kicks off, and I really want to see it push up into it and then rotate. That, I mean, that would be an ideal trade, and if that's the case, wherever this rotates, see your entry point will then be on the rotation as it, well, something like that. As it starts to trade, let me just adjust this. As we start to see lower highs, lower lows after this rotation, if it does happen to play out as such, then, you know, an entry point would be, well, have a look here. Break of market structure. I'd be looking for the BOS. This would be a shift in the trend, the first one, a break below. Watch for a stop run up here, break of structure, and then entry on the pullback after the break of market structure, and then my stop loss will go above that, wherever the high is. All right, and then that changes the outcome here with this to 3.37. That's my take, guys. Euro dollar. We've got time. Just watch it, and when it starts to trade south, hopefully with the spike up. I mean, look, this is spiking up, but yeah, I want to see how it behaves right on this line here at 3 AM New York time. If it plays out like that, this would be quite a nice outcome. So that's my take. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this one. Definitely comment below, and with that, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next video.